Hey guys, it's the Curly Mommy here with my daily routine for the kids that goes along with their homeschooling schedule. I'm going to give you guys all the details, the ins and outs of how I get all three of these kids to get everything done most of the time. I have a reward system that allows them to earn dollars with their faces on it, and every weekend or every other weekend they have a reward store that they get to spend that on. So this is really helpful for families with one or more kids. I mean, for multiple kids, absolutely. For one kid, it's good structure for them as well. It has a lot of benefits to having a visual representation of what you have to do every day, and they get positive reinforcement for it. So here's the in-depth look into my daily routine, and hopefully it'll inspire yours. Okay, so the first thing I did after researching Pinterest for weekday routines, I didn't really see what I wanted exactly, so I made it myself using Microsoft Office and Microsoft Publisher. I created the table and then split it into 2 columns. I found every picture from Google Clip Art, and I would type in make bed clip art and it would be there, and I would copy and paste. Yoga clip art, copy and paste. So I did that for all of these, and then I figured out how to make this box myself with Monday through Friday. And then I drew these lines myself after I printed it out and realized that I needed 2 separate boxes for the girls for each activity. Now what this does is allows them to gain dollars or earn dollars for every activity completed. So when they wake up, they make their bed, they do their yoga, they brush their teeth, wash their face, get dressed, not necessarily uniform, but get dressed. They eat breakfast, they do their reading, they do their work, they eat lunch. Winter has sight words that she has to focus on. Autumn has computer classroom work. Later on in the evening, they do their cleanup. They take their shower, brush their teeth, and they get their story. I didn't add dinner in because they always eat dinner. What they struggle with is finishing breakfast and finishing lunch. So the incentive is for them to earn dollars for complete, for emptying their bowls or cleaning their plates or whatnot. They can earn $15 per day. I got the dollars from a site called festisite.com, festisite.com, and it's a site where you can put a face on any type of currency and then you download the picture onto your computer. So I just multiplied it and made sheets. So this is the money that they earn. These are the examples for them, and I put the examples there. They also have a good helper bonus for when they do extra things or when they do really thoughtful things as siblings to each other. They get the extra helper bonus. Okay, for Zion's weekday routine, he has his own dollar, as you can see. I put one of his little silly expressions that he always does up there. So anywho, this is his routine. He has to make his bed, do his stretches. That includes any kind of workout. I just didn't add different workout pictures, but it's basically him working out and exercising. His teeth brushing, face washing, clothes. His added chore is to make sure that his dog has food and water. Breakfast, he has to do his reading and math. Then lunch, computer work, more work, regardless whether it's the computer or in his workbook. Then later on after dinner, it's cleaning, then showering in PJs, and then brush his teeth and bed. The reason why I put bedtime for the kids is that they do a lot of ruckus play during the nighttime when they're supposed to be laying down. So the incentive is for them to lay down after the story and try to close their eyes and focus on getting to sleep rather than, you know, all the wild, crazy ruckus. It still happens, but they still have that reminder of, oh, if I don't lay down in a certain amount of time, then I won't get my dollars. They both have the same max, which is $15. He has a great helper bonus because he can do so much more to help. And also I wrote great because I forgot that I put good on the girls. So this is his weekday routine. Now on to the rewards. Every weekend, that's my goal. Sometimes it's every other weekend, it happens. But every weekend, they get to open, which is what I call the reward store. And the reward store consists of a bunch of prizes. For $5 reward dollars, they can get a coupon that I made, which I will show you. $10 reward dollars, they can get ice cream or a snack. $15 reward dollars, they get a small surprise from the treasure box. Now this is something from like the dollar store or something from the little bins at Target in the front of the store. If they want to trade in 20 reward dollars, they'll get $5 real dollars. So this is more for Zai, something that goes better for him when he wants to save up and buy something. 30 reward dollars, you get a medium surprise from the treasure box, which is probably some type of board game or, you know, something that is more in the $10 range, $10, $15 range US currency that a parent will purchase. 40 reward dollars will, if you want to trade it in, you'll get 10 US dollars, once again for Zai. And then 50 reward dollars is a fun outing. Fun outing includes all kids, of course. They are allowed to put their money together for the fun outing. And these pictures, once again, I got from clip art on Google. I have a beach, family fun night, bike riding, bowling, a drive-in movie, or, you know, whatever else is there, Dave & Buster's. There's a bunch of other, you know, options. So I want to show you the coupons and what the treasure box is, where they get the surprises and the coupons from. This is the copy of their daily routines that's up on their bedroom door, since downstairs that's not where they wake up. So this is their reminder. This is where they actually write and check off their boxes. So once Autumn wakes up and makes her bed, she gets to check off her box for Monday. Winter gets to check off her box for Monday. So these are the ones that get replaced weekly. The one downstairs is their guide for when they're downstairs, but this is where they do the actual writing. And this is their treasure box. I bought it from Ross. It was, I don't know, maybe like, it was $10.99 at Ross. And inside I put a bunch of tissue paper to kind of make it kind of cool. I go and I find cool things to add to it. See, things like that. Just, you know, stuff that they can pick and choose. This would be one of the small prizes. This would probably be a medium because they'd be painting it, and you know, it's a keepsake. But essentially that's the idea. So the coupons I made on Microsoft Office or something, I saw online and I downloaded. I basically copy and pasted these blank ones and then I typed them in and printed them. So for $3 reward dollars, they can get a coupon to help make a yummy dessert, and then I put a picture. I know I'm extra, but you know, it's fun. This one is $25 coupon. It's a trip to Mount Asia, which is no longer where we live, but we can still get there and have fun. So there are a bunch of different ones. This one's to a family dance party. This one's to a trip to the beach. This one's to family game night. This one is to get out of one chore. So there's a lot of options. I thought it'd be pretty cool to, you know, have them pick and choose what they wanted. This is where all the behavior system copies, printouts, dollars, everything is stored. As you see, here's a color one, and there's a black and white one. Here are the copies that once this is done, you add a new one, and it's for a new week. Once they earn their dollars, they get stored here. They're just regular envelopes from the store. And I put stickers on that I got from some dollar store, letter stickers. So I put their nicknames on it. And I just used baggies and some special paper that I got from the dollar store. A lot of this stuff is not expensive, literally. So yeah, see, Winter has some dollars and a coupon that she hasn't used yet. What is this coupon? This one's free. Playing cards with mom or dad. It's a free coupon. So that's it. That is their reward system. So that's the whole kit and caboodle of our daily routines. I will answer any questions that you guys send regarding them. I will send the copies if you want to make it, you know, like your spin and put your kids' names on it. Whatever you guys want that will add me to becoming a part of your extended mom village, I got you. Please follow me on Instagram for previous posts regarding mommy stuff and curly mommy and hair stuff. And like and subscribe below for more videos to come. Peace and blessings.